Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install marketing software MKT. First of all, you're going to go to Google or any browser you have. You're going to enter here. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you guys can install our install software, or you can contact me on Telegram.
Licensing reimagined.
Here's my channel. You can contact me on Telegram right here. This link, so I can give you instruction and give you the download link directly. So first of all, you're gonna go here. You're gonna click this download. For example, you want like you want YouTube MKT. You want YouTube software. You click here, download. Wait a bit first to download.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, let's wait a bit. I'm recording a video, so the internet is kinda slow right now.
Artlist.io.
Yes, so it's gonna go to your download section in your computer. Here, MKT tube. So you're gonna extract. You're gonna create a file like
Artlist.io.
this one. I'm gonna just that file here. You're gonna extract the software link you just download to the folder you just create. Wait a bit for it to extract. Go
Music
to the
licensing reimagined.
here MKT tube, and first of all, right click to the MKT tube right here, 5.3. Go to properties and compatibility. Click this run as admin, apply, and then OK. So whenever you log into the software, right click and run as admin. Every single time.
Artlist.io.
Here is the login section. For example, you are buying MKT Tube or any other MKT software from mine. You can send me messages. So send me all these information so I can
Music licensing reimagined.
so I can activate your account. So you're gonna send me email. Your email is the login information, your phone number or anything. I don't think I need your phone number. Just send me whatever email, your name, and maybe I need your phone number. And then you copy this hard code for me. Copy this. So
Artlist.io.
each PC is gonna be a different hard code. So you're gonna need me to send me this. Copy this, send me through Telegram right here. Here, send me through this Telegram. Contact me on Telegram, okay? You send me all this information and and also the name of the software you wanna buy. So basically when you finish downloading, here's what you need to send me: your email, your name, and maybe your phone number. I don't think I need your phone number anymore. Here, send me your email, your name, the hard code from the software, and the name of the software you want to buy and use. And I contact me on Telegram, and I will do the like I will activate your account so you can start using the software, the MKT software. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. See you in the next video.